Here I've got HUAWEI Y5 2019, and let me show you how to activate eye comfort mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select display. And here you've got eye comfort. Simply click on it, and if you would like to activate it right now, simply click on enable. And that's it. As you can see, blue light filter is active, so you can protect your eyes while using your HUAWEI. You can change the intensity of the colors, so you can pick some cooler or warmer colors. Then you can switch it off the same way simply by tapping on the switcher. You can also schedule eye comfort mode. Just select scheduled and now pick the period of time. So let's select the start hour. It can be 9 p.m. till 8 a.m. next day. So from now on, every day between 9 and 8 next day, eye comfort mode will be automatically activated. So this is it. This is how you can protect your eyes while using your HUAWEI. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.